Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's the old guy Jack here. We're gonna have a really short video this week. I've got a lot of snow out there, and I've got a lot of things I got to do, and my ATV is not cooperating, so it's got a snowplow on it. But anyway, the video will show you some of what I'm going to use to fix that engine that you've been watching me work on. So here it comes. All right, I think we're in good shape as far as the crankshaft goes. A little bit of side to side, no up and down. There's a little rust on the cranks here. Everything moves smooth. So this is in fact a DT1F. I don't know what happened to the the transmission gears are in it. We may be just taking the head off of the other one and put it on this one. Since we've got to take it apart anyway, we'll put in new seals and new bearings all around. I'll make sure I got all those. Don't see anything wrong with the transmission. Maybe I'll take them in the house for the winter and work on them. We got one down here, one up here. Between the three, we should be in good shape. I want to kind of go through this too. This is a little Honda engine.